As a user in Foliotek, one of the things you'll eventually encounter is a part of Foliotek that we call projects. So what are projects? What are they? If you take a look at this particular fictitious student that we have, Adam Stevens, this is his identity page. So this is Adam Stevens' professional brand, and showcased on his professional brand is an area called projects. When you click on that, it opens up into these 5 different stories, artifacts, whatever you want to call them. Projects, obviously, is what we call them. And if I were to click on any one of these particular projects, let's say internship, for example, it allows me to see a narrative of an experience that Adam Stevens had. So here's Adam Stevens telling sort of a digital narrative, a story about his internship experience. And ideally, when Adam is telling this narrative, he is explaining how the work he did during this internship experience is directly tied to the professional and social skills necessary for him to gain employment. So as a user goes through Foliotek, they're going to be able to create as many of these projects, these digital narratives, these stories as they want to. And then they can curate them and showcase them on their brand. Now there's 2 values in this. First value is the process of creating that narrative, that digital story. The process of building the project is profound because it helps you make that translation between the work you did and the work you will be doing when you find a career. So it prepares you for that interview process. The second component and value add to creating projects is you get this really nice way to showcase your skill set. So instead of just having a resume, instead of just having a cover letter, you now have this professional brand you can showcase, and you can say, hey, check out my internship experience project that talks about my ability to be tenacious, or my demonstrates my civil responsibility or my ability to communicate. So that's what projects are in Foliotek. And when you're inside of the application, there's 2 ways you're going to get to them. You're either going to get to a project that's a part of a curriculum you're going through. So in the case of career success, projects pop up as activities here and there. In one such instance, the milestone Build Skills for Any Career has a couple of projects built into it. So if I go to assignment 2, which is Showcase Careers, I've already actually completed this project, and I have renamed it Persistence Under Fire, and I've added artifacts to this project that I wanted to use to curate, to demonstrate my knowledge. That's one place you're going to find projects. Another place you'll find projects is if you want to create them on your own. Just freelance a project inside of Foliotek based off of an experience. You can do that by going to the projects icon in the top black bar. So here I went to projects. I'm on the projects management screen. All the projects I've already created appear here. And I can also create a new project by clicking create project and choosing to create a personal project. Here will open up for me with some instructions on what a project is and what I might want to think about as I construct this project. So there you have it. That's a general overview of projects within Foliotek. I'm going to have additional videos that talk about projects in greater detail.